How is it live chatting you everyone? First of all, take my salam, assalamu alaikum. So right now I've come here for making video as well as it's my practice time. For this reason I've come, and some people actually I've noticed that from beginner those who are right now learning English, they are practice by make video. For this reason I've come for making video. So right now whatever I'm saying in front of side, left side, right side, I'm gonna try to make conversation about them, make sentences about this. But right now my mobile phone stores don't has sufficient storage. For this reason, so it's possible I have to complete this video. Okay, so first of all I'm saying that to my behind side, as you can see, this called the bean trees, right? My mother's as well as my aunts, there has been planted these bean trees, as well as you can see also next to the bean trees also there's a jackfruit trees available. Actually it's a one only has there. So, and as well as I'm saying that one cow is it is trying to eat grass. Okay, it's trying to eat grass eventually. So this, for this reason, also it's been a long time, actually for it has been going 2 days for 2 days, and we are saying we are looking sunlights, but a couple of days ago we didn't see sunlight because it was web cold. For this reason actually sunlight is better for us, because of nowadays people those are really like they are really feel nervous as well as feel not good. They're for sunlight for them, because in our village lots of people in morning time they are just try to work on the field. For this reason, and so this reason is too helpful for them. Okay, but and also right now the circumstance is too much good. I'm feeling well. I'm just feeling I'm enjoying the moment, because the wheat is going, the wheat is going too much good. The wheat is going gradually. Okay, and also the sunlight is being uh, aggrandized. So for this reason I'm also feeling some warm. Okay, so that's all about. Assalamu alaikum.